In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple files from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select several files at once, download them in a single go, and open them on your computer without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that holds the files you want. In the top right corner of the Google page, look for the grid icon, the small square made of dots that opens Google Apps. Click that icon to expand the app launcher, then choose Drive. This takes you straight to your Google Drive, where all your folders and files are listed. Now it's time to select the files you want to download. Click once on the first file to highlight it. Then, hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click each additional file you want to include. You'll see each one become highlighted as you add it to your selection. If your files are in a row, you can select the first and last in the range while holding Shift to grab everything in between. If you click the wrong file, keep holding the modifier key and click it again to deselect it. With your files selected, look toward the top of the Drive interface for the toolbar. Click the download icon. It looks like a downward arrow. Google Drive will begin preparing your files. When you download multiple items, Drive automatically bundles them into a single compressed zip file. This makes the download cleaner and usually a bit faster. Depending on the number and size of your files, you may see a brief "Preparing Download" message. Just let it finish. Your browser will save the zip file to your default downloads location, typically the Downloads folder on your computer. Once the download completes, open your downloads. Now you'll unzip the file to access everything inside. On Windows, right-click the zip, choose Extract All, pick a destination if you like, and then confirm. On macOS, simply double-click the zip and it will extract to a new folder in the same location. After extraction, open that new folder and you'll see all of your files ready to use. That's all there is to it. You went from opening Google, launching Drive, selecting multiple files, downloading them in a single package, and unzipping them so they're easy to access locally. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.